Yay. Mm-hmm. Yay. Boy, now you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Before you drift in me deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now.
I'm a savage. Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm doing a shower routine which will include my hair care, showing you guys how I wash my hair. I haven't washed my hair in a while and I felt like I had some built up product in my hair, so I was like, girl, why not just wash your hair and do a shower routine all at once and go on ahead and show them the products that you'll be using. But you guys already know, before we get to the video, ride with your girl, hit that subscribe button, also the post notification bell, give your girl a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and at the end of this video I am going to actually do my post notification shout out so that you guys know who I'll be shouting out today in this video. And once again, I thank you guys so much for supporting me and definitely follow me throughout my YouTube journey. Okay, you guys, so I cut my hair maybe like a year and a couple of months ago, and if I had to say so myself, my hair is growing back really healthy. And this is the product that I use here to wash my hair. It is the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Shampoo. I love the texture. It's like really creamy, really rich, and it also has like a silk feeling to it, like really silky. It makes my hair feel amazing, like really amazing. And here I'm just scrubbing my scalp really good, trying to get the built product out of my hair. I have a lot of edge control in my hair. I have a lot of gel in my hair. I have a lot of curling cream in my hair. So here I'm just scrubbing my hair really good, trying to get that built up product out of my hair. Okay, so now I'm about to rinse this out of my hair. I'm so mad I didn't bring in one of my shower caps to put on my hair when I put my conditioner and my vinegar in my hair, but it's okay. We're just gonna put it up in a ponytail. But yes, right here I'm just rinsing out the shampoo really good, making sure I get it completely out of my hair as well as my scalp. And then once I'm done rinsing out the shampoo, that is when I'm gonna go on ahead and apply my my Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Conditioner. Okay, girl, so when it comes to the conditioning, I love putting a lot of conditioner in my hair because I'm a really big fan of bleaching my hair. I bleach my hair a lot, and I feel as though conditioner keeps your hair from, getting brittle, and it makes your hair feel really, really soft as well. So when I use my conditioner, I make sure I use a lot of product. Girl, okay, we use a lot of product, and I just massage it throughout my entire head, apply it around my edges as well as the back of my head. And because I did not bring a shower cap in on this shower routine video, like I told you guys, I forgot the shower cap. To prevent my hair from getting wet, I'm going to go ahead and just put my hair up in a high ponytail. But normally I will have a shower cap for this part right here, and I'll let the conditioner sit in my hair maybe for about 5 or 10 minutes just while I go on ahead and do my body care. And you guys already know, okay, your girl is getting ready to wash with the Dove Sensitive Skin Unscented, okay, cleansing bar. I like to wash my body first. Then after I wash my body first with the soap, I go in with my shower gel. I told you guys, I don't feel as though shower gel gets your body that clean. So I like to go over my body first with my bar soap. Then I go in with my shower gel just to give my body that extra smell good. Okay, yeah, sorry you guys, but I like to go over my body with my shower gel after I'm done cleansing my body with my bar soap, just to give my body that extra boost of smelling good. Okay, so now I'm going in with the raw sugar body wash for sensitive skin. This is purposely for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you should definitely try out this body wash. It smells really good. It has a light scent to it. It isn't anything too strong. The texture is really, really thick and rich as well. And the fragrance that I got was beach rose coconut milk shea. Okay, so girl, this smells amazing. And of course, it's vegan. All of my shower gels are vegan. Okay, now that I'm done washing really good, I'm just basically going to take my hair out of this ponytail and wash out the conditioner that's in my hair before I go on ahead and add my Cream of Nature apple cider vinegar. I actually really love this apple cider vinegar for my hair. It really refreshes my scalp, as well as it helps get rid of any extra product buildup that I may have, left in my hair even after washing my hair. The vinegar actually does wonders. Okay, girl, so I'm done with the hair care. You already know I'm about to go in with my honey pot. Told you guys I like to do the yoni care last. That way, if any soaps or shower gels then went down in the feminine area, washing last helps get rid of all of that. That way it doesn't cause you any type of irritation. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm done washing, I'm about to go on ahead and just get the vinegar out of my hair. That is the last step for my hair care. We have washed our hair already. We have conditioned our hair already. Now I'm just getting rid of the vinegar. Then once I'm done getting rid of the vinegar, once I get out of the shower, I will go on ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner as well as wash my face. I'll be kind of scared to scrub my face when I have on my eyelashes, but as you guys can see, I have water going down my face, but luckily my eyelashes have not came off yet, which is a good thing. So yes, you guys, so once the shower routine is over, I'm going to wash my face really good with my Clean and Clear face scrub, and then I'm gonna go on ahead and apply my Cream of Nature, and I think it's mango butter and mango and shea butter leave-in conditioner. And today, you guys, my post notification shout out goes to TN Has Hopes. You guys, she has been supporting me since day one before I even got to 500 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you so much, girl. Much blessings to you and your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. You guys go check out her YouTube channel. Her link will be down in the description box below. And I see you guys in my next video.